Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here today 2006 Toyota Matrix for a bunch of inspections, and let's start with the simple one. Let's go and check engine oil. This Toyota Matrix, it's equipped with that standard 1.8 liter, right? It's a 16 valve VVTi engine. The model number is 1ZZFE, and let's go together and see if that engine oil change, which was done recently, only 800 miles ago, if it was done properly. And if someone wants to check the engine oil, this is what needs to be done. The vehicle needs to be parked on the leveled surface, number one. Number two, vehicle has to be shut off for at least 5 minutes so the oil had a chance to flow down in the oil pan. After all of that, I can start using here the dipstick, right? Engine oil dipstick. I will pull it out while wiping it off, and now I have it nicely dry and clean, right? You can see here is the minimum and maximum marks, so I will insert it all the way and pull it out. And now comes the truth. Is it done correctly? Is it a new oil? How is it looking? So that looks pretty okay. As you can see, it's not touching the top. It's like a ½ inch from the top mark, right? It's only here. But this is good. I would love to see it touching the top, right? But it's not, and it's not a big deal at this moment. Now the color, yeah, I will say this oil is not very old, and this color, it's okay. There is already some contamination, but I will say this is good. This kind of confirms that it was down, I believe 2 months ago and 800 miles ago. So this is good, and now we know how to check engine oil on this car. And I will additionally clean the mess what somebody did here, right? When he was pouring that oil in, they spill it on this cover, right? I'm just checking inside. It's okay. It was tight enough, so everything's fine here. But I just like these things cleaned, so that's basically it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumb up. And make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.